Now I was on my way home and I'm passing through a town called Mount Morris, and they have a huge dam here, and I like to check it out anytime I'm driving through, but today it's been raining quite a bit, so I'm curious to see what it looks like. Everything's flooded. Don't have my regular camera on me, so this is all shot on my phone, so I apologize if it looks like crap. Now, we are here on the Finger Lakes Trail, and this is the Letchworth Branch Trail. And I just did all the math, and you can go 21.7 miles, I think is what it came out to be. Now, I'm not going to go too far because it's wet and cold out here, and I'm not really dressed for it. I'm on my way back from a doctor's appointment, so. You can see they got a big old floating barrier out there to stop any logs from getting too close to the dam. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Now this here is a benchmark for surveying. It's marked on a map somewhere and you can use it to set up and know exactly where you're at. It seems like a pretty cool trail. I might come back sometime this summer and hike quite a bit of it. Right now it's a little moist. I just looked on the map and it said there's a geocache right here. There it is. Now there's actually a trackable in this geocache, which is pretty cool. It's a pig. I am a cache buddy. Please log me on geocaching.com and move to another cache. And then there's the number you type in to see where it's been. I'm going to leave it here for somebody else to move because I don't plan on doing any more geocaching anytime soon, but I'm going to type that number in when I get home. Well, that was Mount Morris Dam, and I read on the sign back there that it's 1,600,000 tons. That's heavy. That's heavier than your mom. There's another scenic overlook right up here, so we'll go pull in and check that out. Down there you can see where we were before. There's the big floating thing in the water to stop all the logs. And now we might head down into Letchworth State Park and check out some of the falls. No charge. Please enjoy the park. Free admittance. It's free to get in. It looks like the lower falls area is closed, so we're going to try the upper two. Well, it looks like we're on foot from here. It's a little wet out here, but I was in the neighborhood, so why not stop? Upper falls that way. Now, if you look over here, you can see all these bushes and they're covered in ice. That's gotta be from all the mist coming off the falls and falling on these bushes. Now, I haven't been here since I was a kid, really, and I forgot how cool this place is. And the water's extra high right now, so everything's extra cool. All right, now let's go check out the middle falls. These were the upper falls. I think the middle falls are taller, but I can't remember. All right, so I just Googled it, and the upper falls are about 70 feet tall, and the middle falls are 107 feet tall. And the lower falls are only 50 something. Wow, that's crazy. Trail's closed, so we can't go any further that way, but you can get a pretty good view from here. Well, my phone died, so I guess that's the end of this video. It's a short one, but I thought maybe somebody would like it. So like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll catch you on the next one.